Now we're going to install a backup plugin and explain how to use that. So the backup plugin we use is called Updraft Plus. So to install that, go to Plugins, Add New, type in Updraft Plus, then it will appear first. So click on Install Now. And activate plugin. So the settings will be under Settings, Updraft Plus Backups. And the first thing we want to do is click Backup Now. And that starts the backup process. It gives you the option to exclude the database, exclude files, or don't send to remote storage. Remote storage is if you have it set up to Dropbox or another external storage. If we've just installed it, nothing will have been set up yet. So let's click Backup Now, and that backs up the plugin. So the next thing we want to do is go to Settings, and here we've got Manual Backups for files and database. We want to change this to automatic. So depending on how often the website's updated, you might want to change file to weekly or monthly, and database you might want to change, if it's an e-commerce site, to daily. If it's not updated so often, you can do weekly or fortnightly. Let's do weekly and change the amount of backups to 4. So this is the number of backups it will always store. Once it reaches 4, it will start deleting the older backups. Now if we scroll down here, we've got Choose Your Remote Storage. Here we can back up to Dropbox and a bunch of other things, Google Drive, OneDrive, and so on. So to back up to Dropbox, we can just click on Dropbox, save the settings, go back to Settings, and then we need to authenticate it. So let's click on this, and it'll ask us to log into Dropbox. Once we log in, it'll then sync to that Dropbox account. So under existing backups, all the backups will be stored here. You can also delete a particular backup and restore a backup. To download a backup, all you need to do is click on one of these. So they're 5 separate files: the database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. So let's download the plugin. So we click on Plugins, it looks for the file, and then we can click Download to your computer. If you want to download the database, we simply click the database and download this. And that's Updraft Plus.